a super cute half up style with mini space buns. I have done styles similar to this before, but I recently learned a new technique that makes the space bun part of this style a lot easier for beginners, so we're going to do it again. So obviously we're going to start with the hair down, and I do like to do this one on clean hair because any style where I wear my hair down, I like my hair to be clean personally. But you could also do it with some dry shampoo on day 2, and that will give you a little bit more texture to work with when you're creating your buns. So it's really personal preference. I am gonna leave a couple bits of hair out at the front. All right, so we're gonna take our finger and create a section from sort of the crown of our head, a triangle section down towards our ear. And that is going to be the hair that we create our first little space bun with. Now, it is a small section of hair, so we are going to use a small hair tie. I am going to be using this little tiny clear hair ties. I know not everybody likes to use those, so if you don't, you can use something else. I don't mind using them once in a while. These are the no tear ones that I have in my Amazon storefront, and I find if I only use them once in a while and I'm very careful when I use them, they don't cause me any problems for my hair. So I'm going to create a little bun. So I'm going to wrap this 3 times, and on the 3rd time I'm just going to pull my hair through and just tighten that down into like a little bun like that. I'm just going to repeat on the other side. So now I've got 2. You could leave it like this. It looks cute. But if you want a little bit more full looking of a bun, you're going to get yourself one of these little mini claw clips. They're the really, really itty bitty ones. I just got these at the dollar store, nothing fancy. And you're going to take the edges of the clip and you're going to pull it forward, and you're just going to clip it with the claw clip. And do your little fluff and pull. You can get these in cute colors, which is also fun to do. I'm gonna grab this guy. What I do want to show you, if you grab from way up here, you're gonna get more of like this happening, where you've kind of pulled these 2 pieces down and it doesn't really look like a bun anymore. It just kind of looks like a mess. What you want to do is you want to pull it together from more close to the hair tie. So down and pulling it forward like that, and take a bite with your clip, and voila. Now, if your hair's thicker, that's going to be even fuller. We're obviously not working with the thickest hair, but that's okay. It's super cute. It's a super fun style for summer. If you like space buns, it's a super easy, beginner-friendly way to create the space buns in your hair without being someone who is super, super comfortable with working with hair accessories like bobby pins and whatnot. Little claw clips make a great alternative to a bobby pin for a lot of these hairstyles. Thank you so much for watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I love showing you guys hairstyles that you can do in your thin, fine hair every single day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.